Clinical pathways are algorithms for patient care for specific chief complaints and disease processes. They allow the initiation of orders before provider evaluation. These pathways are developed based on the current clinical practice guidelines as well as our experts here at AI DuPont Hospital. Some of the common pathways are asthma, bronchiolitis, gastroenteritis, diabetes, and appendicitis. To see a full list, check your resident handbook or look for the yellow clinical pathways book in each pod. Some pathways are initiated by nursing staff while others are ordered by physicians. If a patient fits a specific pathway, you can start the orders prior to precepting. If you have questions or you're unsure, feel free to talk to your preceptor. Please check the inclusion and exclusion criteria before starting a pathway. Pathways can be helpful in expediting care, ordering appropriate medication doses, obtaining specific lab tests or imaging, and help guide care. Let's go through an example. To open a clinical pathway, open Manage Orders, click Order Sets, and type the specific pathway. Let's try the appendicitis pathway as an example. Just type ED appendicitis in Order Set. From here, you click on the ER appendicitis link to open the full pathway and review inclusion, exclusion criteria, and the overall algorithm. At the bottom of each clinical pathway is a list of resources used to develop the pathway. If you're interested in a specific topic, this is a great place to learn more about them. Next, select the orders that are appropriate for your patient. Some pathways require a score to be entered. These include the asthma pathway, bronchiolitis pathway, and the appendicitis pathway. These scores will help you guide your clinical decision-making and monitor clinical changes throughout the ED visit. Under your ED Navigator tab, you'll be able to find these clinical scores. Please utilize the order sets to help streamline clinical care in the emergency department. To see a full list of pathways, just check the yellow binder in your pod.